Hello everyone, I'm Georgia Glares coming from the Crestron booth here at CEDIA 2025 in beautiful Denver, Colorado. I'm so excited to show the latest upgrade coming to one of our most celebrated keypads, the Horizon keypad, now in beautiful metal finishes. These are real metal. This is not paint, this is proper treated metal. And as you can see, we have 4 beautiful colors. We have a brushed brass, a dark nickel, a brushed black, and a dark bronze. Definitely bring a level of sophistication into the home. It has all the features that you expect from Horizon with that beautiful backlight WRGB, responsive press, very tactical and satisfying when you use, when customers are using a home and the smart systems, they discern the quality based off of the things they touch. And this speaks volumes. So if you'd like to learn more, visit us at crestronhome.com.